everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle. I'm a wife, a mom, and a pretend chef, and today I'm going to be making some very easy, very delicious shrimp fried rice. Now, this recipe is one of my very favorites because all the ingredients are super inexpensive and you probably already have all of them in your kitchen. So if you're interested in learning how to make it, keep watching.
Okay, so I have everything that we're going to be using in today's recipe all laid out here for you. And just a quick reminder, all of the exact measurements with the ingredients are in the description box below. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get started first by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. Then we're going to add some black pepper. Just a pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of that rice vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of plain water. And then I'm just going to whisk this together really well and set that aside. Now you'll want to grab your wok or whatever pan you plan on cooking this in, and just go ahead and add some of that vegetable oil into it and get it coated really well. And then you're just going to set it there and get the pan heated up. You're going to set it to medium-high heat. Now while that's getting heated up, go ahead and dice up your onion. And by the time you're done with that, your wok should be ready to go. So go ahead and throw in the egg mixture and scramble up the eggs really well until they're cooked all the way through. Now you can just go ahead and put that to the side for now. And we're gonna go ahead and start on our veggies after this. So we're throwing everything back into this wok. No need to wipe it down or anything like that, okay? So go ahead and add in those diced onions from before, your minced garlic, and the frozen veggies. And to that we're adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and half a teaspoon of my favorite Tony's Creole seasoning. Go ahead and stir that all up and let it simmer on medium heat for about 8 minutes or until the veggies are fully cooked. Okay, so once those are done, go ahead and set those aside in a bowl for now while we move on to making the sauce for the shrimp. Okay, so that's going to start with half a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of Siracha sauce, half a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of that rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce, and then a teaspoon of that ground ginger. And then make sure you just mix that up really well, okay? Get the brown sugar broken down really well. Make sure it's very well mixed together. And then you're just gonna go ahead and throw that into the wok and set that wok to medium-high heat. And I'm letting my shrimp cook for about 10 or 12 minutes. And as soon as that's done, you can go ahead and start adding in those other ingredients that we made before. So the vegetables and your eggs. And stir those up really well. And next you're gonna add in your cooked and cooled white rice, okay? So I recommend breaking this up before you pour the whole thing into the bowl. It's cooled, like I said, so it's really sticky and stuck together, so it might be really hard to break up with a spoon. But anyhow, just go ahead and break that up with your spoon and mix it all together. And once you've got it all mixed up, it should look just like this. You can also add in more soy sauce if you'd like at this point. I'm not going to though, because the sauce from the shrimp that we cooked is usually more than enough for us. And that is all there is to it, you guys. Now you're ready to eat. So as you can see, this is such a quick and easy meal to just whip up really fast, and it's super delicious and just as good as any takeout I've had, to be honest. But anyhow, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. For more delicious recipes just like this one, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you would be so kind as to leave me some recommendations for what to make next in the comment section below, I would greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one.